today we will be making a really cute and adorable hair bow. What you will need, 2 pieces of this black ribbon. It's 2 1/4 inches wide, 8 inches long. That's going to be the base, and then these are all going to be the spikes. So they are all 7 inches in length, and I have a couple pieces of each of them. The amount you use is completely up to you. If you want a lot of spikes, use more. Fewer spikes, use less. But this is 7/8 inches in width, 5/8 inches in width, and 3/8 inches in width. I like to change up the widths just because I think it looks really cute and adorable. But again, go with whatever you prefer. And I also have 2 pieces of the 3/8 inch ribbon, 4 inches long. Bow wire, whatever you prefer. A hair clip. Scissors. A lighter, which I just used the lighter to finish off any of the frayed edges, just to make them look a little bit better. And a hot glue gun. And of course you will need a mini Bowdabra. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is ribbon cut the ends, and I just fold it in half, the fold at the top, the open ends at the bottom, and I'm going to cut a diagonal just like that. Again, fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal just like that. So I'm going to do the exact same thing with my next piece. And you know what, I'm going to ribbon cut all of the pieces just because I love the ribbon cut and it looks so cute and adorable, especially with the spikes. So before I start making the bow, I'm just going to go ahead and do that to all of them so that when I start making it, I can just go right through and continue on. Alright, so we have all of the pieces cut with the ribbon cut at the end. It's so cute and adorable. Now we're going to start placing them together and making our bow. So the first thing you want to do, fold your bow wire in half and then place it down in the center. The amount you use is completely up to you. I just like to make sure I have enough to hang over the end so that I'm able to easily access it when I'm done. Fold this ribbon in half just to find the center, or you can just estimate the center. And I'm going to scrunch it. So I'm going to fold it down, bring the front up and the back up, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing with this piece. And I just like to adjust it, maneuver it, just like that. I'll go with a couple of orange. This part you can just have fun and just do whatever you please. And then you can use your wand to help squish it all together. The more you place, the harder it's going to be for you to keep it all together. So just use your wand and be as careful as possible. And you can make it as large or as small as you'd like. If you have a tiny little puppy, you can make a small bow. Or if you have a girl who really loves bows, you can make it even larger than this. So just do whatever you please. Alright, so after you've scrunched it together, you're going to take the end of the bow wire that has the loop and the 2 separate ends and place those through the loop. Just like that. And I like to hold my bow in place and then pull as tight as you can. Make sure I have everything exactly where I want it. Nice tug. And then pull it open. Tug it again. and pull it off of the Bowdabra. And I like to tie it in a knot a couple of times just to make sure it doesn't come loose. Cut the excess. Alright. We're going to take one of our 4-inch pieces and tie it in a loose knot. And it's going to go in the center. Just like that. So I'm going to take a small amount of glue and place it on the back of here and place it in the center. Alright, and then again I'm just flaring it out, adjusting it, making it look nice and pretty. The very last thing I have to do is add the hair clip. So with the hair clip I'm going to use the last 4-inch long piece. And I like to press it so that all parts of the clip are touching. And there you have it. A really cute, adorable spiked hair bow. Perfect for Halloween, Halloween parties, trick-or-treating, whatever you prefer. You can even add it to a costume.